What's up guys, with me Momocow here and welcome back to another Grand Theft Auto video. And today I'll be playing Grand Theft Auto 5 and I just realized something. My tripod doesn't work, and that's where I set the camera on top of. So I was thinking about using a fucking can of Coke, but yeah. So taking what you're going to be seeing is this again, and it seems that the game's not working. Oh fuck. So it should be working now at least, I think. See now. Oh, there we go. There you go. It's working. I know for a fact now it's going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'll take you downstairs. So really, what I'm doing today is this is going to be my fucking first video thing today. Today, what I'm going to be doing is actually 4 videos today. I'm going to upload this as soon as I'm finished. Next video probably be fucking non-parkour video. Fuck that. Ow. It was my fucking foot, which a lot of you would have seen on Snapchat. Anyway, I don't even know why I came down here again. Oh, I'll show you this. I forgot. The lighting in here is shit. I'm so sorry. Because that. Yeah, our dartboard. Yeah, that was not me playing actually. That was my cousin. We got a good shot there. Like that's fucking close. So what I might do actually is the 10 subscriber challenge on Monday. I'm thinking about getting my friend down on Monday. Well, I said that I'm getting him down. He says that he's coming down, so. Oh, look. Nice. Try me. You know what, I'll take all 3 of them. Ah! Fuck me toe. Fuck, that hurt. Oh, fuck that. They're all falling everywhere. Anyway, so that's technically what this is. This is technically a fucking game play and fucking vlog. I'm sorry, but I need to get the older camera. I still don't have the GoPro. I need to get the older camera. It's fucking. I think it's a. I also can't. I think it begins with a B. I think it's a bush. It's a bush. It's a 300 pixel. Technically, what that is HD. Technically, well, that's what it says. This is 300 pixel. Gigabyte is. I think it's 8 gig. So 8 gig would be about 2 movies, maybe. I think. Could be 2 full movies, but an hour and a half long at least. So yeah, I also can show you this. Actually, you know what? Forget about the gameplay today. Oh well, here. Load it up. Right. Check. I'll show you my card. Right. So this is my first one. Oh, you like that? Nice, isn't she? It's chrome. You know what? I'll try driving now. I'll show you this gold comment in here. This has to be my favorite, I think. Like, watch this, look.
It might very well be time to stop commenting on life and...
Check out that. Should take her for a wee spin. Oh, that was close. Fuck, didn't see that. So it's a really nice car. It's quick. Well, it's alright for speed, like. Yo, dude, perfect barking. Anyway, well, that's a wee bit of gameplay. I just want to show you those 2 main cars. I'm not going to play a full game single camera. So, tell you what the whole point of this thing today was was for me to film my room. Right, I know you usually look at me bed and go, "That's very fucking girly," but it's actually the only coat we have because the other one's getting washed. So here we go. It's my room. My bed was originally over here, which you'd see me because this unit here was sitting like this. You probably noticed behind the wall, eh? You notice that? So this is what the room looks like. It's fucking spotless clean. That's me fucking shady shoes. It's a nice room. Maybe drawer my charger and everything. There's me wee fucking bin. So technically that's it's a good room, like all my fucking movies in there. See, look. Sorry. Fuck me. Fuck, I'm allergic to commanders. Commander. I actually got nothing to show you this. Well, there you go. Get a wee bit of gameplay. So, well, I hope you enjoyed it. Actually, you know what? Fuck, did you hear that? Alright, I need to go down here, man. Who's at the door? Oh, fuck, there's someone at the door. That was interesting. I have no fucking clue who that was. He just asked me to go in the toilet. I don't know who he is. I have no fucking clue who that is. No, who it is? Some man from property lamp or something. Oh, he's coming here now. Good man, thanks a lot. What are your shoes? Alright. Who the fuck is he? Don't have a fucking clue who it is. Well, guys, that's a wee bit of a suspicion for you. I'm probably going to end the video here. So yeah. If you like this, please leave a like, comment, or if you've enjoyed, subscribe. So really, what I'm gonna be doing now is probably going up, seeing if I get. Oh fuck, there's Jasper. Jasper, you're gonna be in my fucking video today. Jasper, hey, you look like a drenched fucking rat. That's Jasper. That's our 4th generation Kerry Blue. Don't be writing down in the comment section how much they cost. He's probably cheap. Like fuck, he was cheap. It cost nearly the same amount as we have the fucking rent for this house. And fuck me, that's a lot, mate. I started up my channel a while back and I put up videos, but I had to delete the whole thing for certain reasons and for certain values. But what somebody said to me was my friend. I didn't know he was my friend at first, but I found out then. What he told me to do was to do a house tour. So I might do that now later on, like. So that's life, like. So I'll see you all next video. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see if fucking Franklin wants to say goodbye. Franklin, want to say goodbye, mate? Please say goodbye. How do you say goodbye, Franklin? Franklin, fuck. Franklin, would you put a fucking hat on you at least? Hey, there you go, Franklin. Franklin, I like a hat on you. There. No, fuck that. That one. So anyway, guys, see you all next video. I know I've said this loads of times, so I keep fucking forget. So, bye. I wanted to see where he left that fucking money. I bought it.